Hi all, welcome back to T&D Style. We will crepe georgette set collection. This is set purchase WhatsApp purchase. First is black base side and pattern bathikment and topi full bathikment. Dupatta bathikment and dupatta bottom. First is black color black and base side and pattern bathikment and top in the front back bathikment. Top is 48-49 length, crepe fabric stretchable fabric fabric. But crepe fabric border top in the same middle portion bottom price is 1390 with free shipping. Next is a dark maroon. Dark maroon set. Yoke pattern V-neck pattern yoke V-neck pattern top in the daman area border colorful set dark maroon back pattern area border. This is a beautiful dupatta. Dupatta full dupatta. Middle part top in the same dupatta. Dupatta end light bottom is crepe and fabric price is 1390 with free shipping. This is a dark red and white color V-neck pattern set yoke V-neck pattern. Back is the pattern daman area border top in the back crepe fabric dupatta full dupatta 2.4 meter. Crepe fabric price is 1390 with free shipping. Next is the shibori print set collection. Crepe fabric is shibori print daman area pattern top in the back top in the back daman area dupatta is crepe fabric shibori print dupatta bottom is the bottom price is 1390 with free shipping. Next is a dark maroon and shibori print set. Top and bottom dupatta is crepe fabric back is the same print back in front daman area pattern dupatta is dark maroon shibori print dupatta. Bottom is the bottom price is 1390 with free shipping. In the crepe set purchase WhatsApp purchase YouTube video like, share, subscribe. Okay, thank you.